I bet.
What the fuck?
Bro, this is not my
you been
feed, bro.
watching?
This is not how my feed is usually like.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, we're actually going to be doing an install on a new mod that just came in the mail. As you guys know, it is Black Friday week. And of course, knowing me, I had to take advantage and buy something for the M4. This one's actually going to be an interior mod, so nothing for the outside at the moment. But yeah, as you can see, it's right over there. It's that big black box. I don't know if you can see, but now that you guys see what it looks like, judging by how big the box is, let me know what you guys think it is in the comments below. But yeah, let's go and check it out. Let's open the box. Don't mind the mess inside, but as you can see, I've already kind of opened it. Let's just pretend that we didn't. So yeah, as you can see, we got something from Carismo. I love the pads that they gave me last time, so had to cop something else from them. They're actually running a Black Friday deal as of right now, so if you guys are looking to get something for your car, make sure you guys go and check out the website and get something for your car. As you guys can tell by the size of the box, you guys already know what this is, but let's just go ahead and unbox it anyway. Oh, nah, nothing. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a bit dirty, guys. All right, if you guys don't already know what this is, we got a new steering wheel for the car. I know a lot of you guys have been flaming me for having a stock steering wheel but having magnetic paddle shifters. Today we're gonna fix that. So we ordered a new steering wheel from Carismo. We took advantage of their Black Friday deal. Make sure you guys also do the same. Make sure you guys get a steering wheel or some paddle shifters from them. They're always of great quality, and yeah, let's go and open this. Oh. Okay, let's just open it up. Sheesh! Oh damn! Look at that, guys. Oh man, that is so nice. So as you can see, we ordered a full Alcantara steering wheel, flat bottom, as you can tell, with the white stitching and the white center stripe. I think that looks so cool. Look at that. That thing is fire. Feels good. Feels good as well. It's like very soft, very high quality. Let's just move this out of the way and give you guys a quick preview of what it could look like. Sheesh. I mean, you can't really, but yeah, I can already tell this would look so good. The next thing we need to do is actually just remove the stock steering wheel from the car and then replace everything, all the trim, all the buttons, and place them onto this. And then lastly, we'll just pop this new one back in. So hopefully it'll be a quick enough install. If you guys watched the video where we installed the paddle shifters, it was an okay install, but it took us a lot longer than we had initially anticipated. But we're experienced now, right, babe? Hopefully this should take less than an hour. We'll see. Let's take this steering wheel off. We'll go back home first because it is freezing, guys. It is the end of November, guys, and it's like -2 degrees, -1 degrees right now. So we're gonna get inside this warm car and get back home so we could take the steering wheel off and put everything together. We'll try to film the entire walkthrough, but light is kind of dying down now. So we'll try to get this done as soon as we can. Okay, so first step of the install, we gotta take off the stock steering wheel. And to do that, as you guys know from the previous video, we have to disconnect the battery so that this doesn't blow up on our face. I've disconnected the battery now, so now we need to get the steering wheel off. And the first thing we need to do is to get this airbag out. There are 2 little holes here. What you wanna do is just get like a little pick tool and just pop that in there somehow. Oh, that's too thick.
A few moments later.
Oh, I'm about to crash out, bro. As we were trying to find something like this to unhook the thingy, I realized the boot closed. I literally had like a little cloth, like a microfiber cloth on it, right? Just to make sure it doesn't close. But I accidentally put a bit too much pressure and it goes, and it closed. I literally had to crawl all the way through the back. And look at the back. There's no space in the back. But I had to crawl through there to get to the battery just to hook it up again, just so we can open the back. Right, I was about to give up right there and just call it a day, but it's fine, we have to push through. Okay, so let's see if this will do the trick. Okay, so we have the airbag out now. Now we need to get this 16mm bolt taken out. Usually people would use a gun or like a breaker bar, but we don't have that. We have this little thingy here. Yeah. Thankfully we found this extender in the box. We're back on track. So we got this little big ass nut. Is this even called a nut? I don't know. But basically we can now just take this off. Oh. Anyone interested in an OEM F80, F8X steering wheel, hit me up, 1,000 euro. hit me up. Okay, let's go inside and swap over these little buttons. I actually bought some red ones as well, so we'll be swapping out these M1 and M2 buttons for the red ones. Yeah, AliExpress special, €2. Yeah, let's go inside and put these in because, bro, it's fucking freezing. All right, guys, we're inside now. And we're just gonna start taking off the trim off the steering wheel. So we're gonna start off taking off these two here, these two T20s, and also the T20 in the back. Take off this part here. So let's do that. So now what we want to do is take off the remaining screws. We're gonna have to rewire everything. We're gonna have to take off this ground. We're gonna have to take off all the wiring to the paddle shifters as well.
Several days later.
Hey guys, as you can tell, this is a different day from the day that we fit the steering wheel. So long story short, the sun came down very, very quickly and we couldn't film the rest of the video because it was too dark outside. It was too cold. It was too dark. We couldn't find a spot to kind of do it indoors like this. So we decided just to put the steering wheel together and then I put it on at nighttime off camera. So this is the new Carismo steering wheel installed on the M4. It is so sick in my opinion. It looks really, really nice with the red buttons and the white stitching and the white center stripe there. But the install definitely didn't come without its complications. Yeah, like I said, we installed it at nighttime. It was very dark. I couldn't really see a lot. So what had happened was when I put back the steering wheel, I basically didn't put it on properly. I didn't align it to how it was supposed to be. I had installed it a little bit to the left. So as I was driving, the steering wheel was like this when I was going straight. I had to counter steer every time when I was driving. So the next day we went to go and get that fixed. But because of the fact that I put it on wrong the first time, the knurlings in the steering wheel lock got kind of stuck together. It was so hard for me to take off. Basically, I had to wiggle it around so that it would get loose. Heaven knows it took us like an hour just to get the steering wheel off. It was such a pain. I thought I was cooked, guys. I was honestly about to crash out. Yeah, thankfully we were able to take off the steering wheel, readjust it, and now it is perfectly straight. We're good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is now the new steering wheel on the M4. It's been a few days now since we've installed it, and I honestly can't be happier. It feels really good in the hands. The quality is amazing. The stitching is on point. It makes driving the M4 even more of a joy. Couldn't recommend this steering wheel enough. Couldn't recommend Carismo anymore, but this is already past Black Friday, but if you missed out on the Black Friday sale, you can still save some money using my discount code BoomerBoy. It'll be right here. BoomerBoy for 10% off at checkout. So ladies, any ladies out there who are thinking about getting gifts for their boyfriends for Christmas, get them a steering wheel, or even get them some paddles. A perfect gift for your boyfriend. Yo, what's up guys? So this is the second part of the video. We're kind of just doing something very random today. We're actually gonna go view a car. I'm not gonna tell you guys what car that is now, but we just decided to go view it. I saw it this morning online. The spec was really, really good on it. It's a car I wanna kind of upgrade from the M4 to when the time comes. Obviously not now, but I just wanted to go in there, have a look, maybe test drive it and see if they'll allow us. But we're heading there now. I just gave the car a little bit of a rinse just because she's so filthy. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the dealership. It is a BMW, so I'll give you guys that hint. But yeah, you'll see when we get there. All right guys, we've made it. Frankie BMW. There she is. G82 M4. Yeah, it's like, I think this is Dravet. It's like gold flakes, like gray but gold flakes. It looks pretty good. It just has a black gloss black kit though. Oh well. Yeah. Got the comfort seats, carbon interior. It's nice though. Damn, that brake dust. That brake dust is crazy. The laser light is what is important here. You don't like the rear? It's nice. It's just. I just wish it was carbon. It's just gloss black, which is. Yeah, of course, but it's expensive. It's got carbon roof though. Yeah. They've also got an M2 here. This is cool. What do you guys think of the rear of this? I'm still kind of trying to grow into it, but I don't know. Yeah. The inside is quite nice though. This is what really kind of drew me, is these red seats. I love me some red interior. This is the interior of the M2. As you can see, it's got the big screen. Compared to this one, it's just got like the old iDrive, which I think I actually prefer. This is a nice red though.
It's like orange red.
The front end is kind of growing on me, but I don't know. That just looks way better. Yeah, the M4 looks way nicer than this, to be fair. This is 90 grand, so this is like very similar price. We're gonna go inside the G82 and check out the interior. I don't think they'll let us drive it. We'll see. Okay. So we've got the interior now. Badge there. You wanna take a seat? Go have a seat.
Oh my god, it's so comfortable.
Yeah.
This reminds me of your
Auto lights,
your
everything.
dad's car, but
The G30, the 5 Series. Yeah, it's very comfortable.
But more like the padding is nicer.
Right. Wireless charging there.
Yeah.
Full carbon console and everything. The boot is pretty big. I think it's around the same as my car now, but I think this might be a bit smaller. Well, I guess it doesn't really make that difference. Like, the only thing about this, guys, is if we're moving out of the carbon ceramics, these brakes give so much brake dust. It's crazy. Oh, it is nice in here. It feels a lot more spacious than the F82. The salesman is over there trying out my car. Yeah, this is really nice. Got the M stitching there. Got the engine start stop button there. They don't have my magnetic paddles though. This is nice. It's only got 25,000 kilometers.
I don't know, I'm not feeling this.
Really?
Yeah.
You see the car there in the dash. It's nice though. The red seats are so cool. Oh, I feel like a baller in this. Literally, I feel like a baller in this. See what's cool about the G80s? The handle is like this. Yeah. Okay, so after this clip, we went inside, spoke with the salesman, talked about a few details about their car, talked about a few details about my car, went over some numbers. So long story short, they lowballed the heck out of me. Gave me such a low number for the value of my car against their car. Like, are you sure you got the right car? It was that bad. I honestly just want to see if that car was for me. Obviously, moving from the F82, I kind of want to move into a G series or even higher. So naturally, you just want to go and see the car. You naturally want to be inside it, see what it feels like, see what it looks like. The car is super nice, perfect spec. Only thing missing was them bucket seats. But let me know what you guys think of the G82 M4. That was the spec that you would have gotten. But yeah, that's it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys liked the new steering wheel M4. As of you guys watching this video now, the exhaust is already installed. That video is going to be up next Sunday, so keep an eye out for that one. That one's going to be fire. But yeah, if you guys did like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so we've got like just under 3 weeks to do that. So yeah, that'll be my Christmas wish from you guys. If you guys can subscribe, that'd be amazing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bruh. You good?